Assalamu alaikum. My dear student, how are you? I hope you are well and safe and healthy life is passing at your home. And I am also well. Most welcome to our online class. Well, I am Nazmul Nahar Shobha. Today I will take your English first paper class. So all of you be ready. Today I will try to understand about first paper class and I will try to understand MCQ, about MCQ. You have already known to that first scene passage, from first scene passage, two types question will become in your exam. 1 number question, multiple choice MCQ, and 2 number question, WS question. So today I will teach you about MCQ question. So let's go, all of you. How can will be this question, and how many types this question we know now. So all of you look at the board. There is a three types MCQ question. 1 number, finding synonym or similar word. 2 number, finding a real meaning indicating a line, and 3 number, fill in the blanks. These types question will be held in your exam. Today I will explain this question. First question, finding synonym, I will explanation. Also I am example has given here, finding synonym like this. What does the word apartheid refer? Like this, just example has given. What does the word apartheid refer? 4th option has given. A number, A part, B number, distant, C number, discrimination, D number, logical view. Before this answer this question, at first you should know technique already. You should know technique. Then you will give correct answer. So look at the book. Technique also I have given here. 1 number technique. English word you must be Bangla means will be known, all of you, properly. Then actual parts of it will be known, all of you, properly. Then you will give correct answer. Okay? So here has given apartheid. That means what? That Bangla means what? You know that apartheid Bangla means Borno Boishomyo, and parts of it is noun. So you just find out correct answer. Which will be correct answer here? So let's go here. B number has given distant. That Bangla means duraborti, and parts of it is adjective. So it is wrong. It will not be. Then D number, logical view. It is not, because here has given 2 words. Otherwise, keep in mind, all of you. When 1 word has given, that correct answer will be held 1 word. Okay, so it will not be held. Then C number, discrimination. That means boishomota, and parts of it is noun. So it is correct. And a part also has given. A part means dur. So it is not will be held. So correct answer will be held discrimination. So all of you should know about technique. At first you should know about technique. Two technique we have given here. Bangla means will be known, and actual parts of it is will be known, all of you. Then you will give correct answer. Okay, next we will go now. Finding a real meaning indicating a line. One example also I have given here. And just follow this page, and all of you must pen and copy also. Front side you put your copy, because important lines you must write down in your copy. So here has been, I have given 2 number example, finding a real meaning indicating a line. So one example I have given here, the word read. Read means what? Here has given what 4 option has given: study, understand, preserveness, to the point. And what word will be held here? I don't know. So you know that basically you know that read means Bangla means pora, but here has given two technique. Here has I have given technique 1 number. From this passage find out the line. At first find out this main line, this from the passage. 2 number, imagine you know what meaning, but it will not be correct all time. That what meaning try to understand properly. Maybe you cannot understand properly. This time I want to give one example also here. You just look at the board. Look at the board, all of you. A writer can read a reader's mind. At first you can understand this line properly. You should understand properly at first. Okay. Here one sentence has I have given that Bangla means একজন লেখক একজন পাঠকের মন বুঝতে পারে. So basically you know that read means পড়া, but here read means not পড়া. Here read means বুঝতে পারা. At first you can think maybe here correct answer will be here study. But at first passage, if find out just passage line you can understand properly at first, then you will answer correct answer. Okay. So here you can this line has given the writer can read a reader's mind. That Bangla means একজন লেখক পাঠকের মন বুঝতে পারে. So read means বুঝতে পারা, not পড়া. Here read means বুঝতে পারা. So correct answer will be here understand. Okay, all of you can understand properly. Okay. Okay, next we'll go now next patterns. Fill in the blanks. Also I have given here one example. You can see here this page 3 number. Fill in the blanks. One example also I have given. Kuakata is known locally as what? Fill in the blanks I have given. Just correct answer you find out in the passage. From the passage you can give this correct answer. So one technique has given also one technique. Follow the lines of the passage properly. At first you read your passage properly. Your seen passage. That time from this passage you can write this correct answer. So here correct answer will be here Sagar Konna. So you all of you know that the Kolkata Bangla means Kuakata Bangla means Kuakata কি নামে পরিচিত. বাংলা মিন্স কুয়াকাটা কি নামে পরিচিত. Obviously you know that কুয়াকাটা সাগরকন্যা নামে পরিচিত. So all of you like this, you will do properly in your at your home and try to this at your home. Okay, that time you will correct answer in your exam. Okay, after this for you, finally we can say that you are well and safe, and see you again next class. Allah Hafiz.